Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider. Did you know that you can now play Google Play games on your computer using the official method from Google? This is because Google has officially launched a beta program that allows people to play Google Play games on Windows 10 and on Windows 11. If you like videos like this, then subscribe here now so you'll get more of this type of tutorial videos. Then continue watching this video. First, go to your browser and log on to their official website, play.google.com/googleplaygames. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description section of this video. Use the link and it will land you here. It is important we check the minimum requirements for this. Check your computer specification to know if it meets the requirement. Go to your Windows search, type System, click on System app. Here, you will see all the details to compare with Google's requirements. Now, back to Google Play Games portal, click Minimum Requirements and compare Google's requirements to your system information. If your system is okay with the requirements from Google, then download beta here. This may take a while depending on the quality of your internet and the system configuration of your device. When the download is complete, open the installation file and install Google Play Games on your device. Now you have it on your device. Let us open it. Of course, you will need to sign in with your Google Mail account. Profile. Create a profile name. Let's go on looks good. Terms. Accept. Privacy. Finish. Here is the home display. For me, the interface looks great. This button takes you to the library where you will have access to all the games you've downloaded. You may have to come back to the library to see and play all the games you have downloaded. The search button takes you to all games section where you can type the name of the game you want to download or the keywords in it. Please take note, not all the games in your mobile phone Play Store are here. Only those that can work well with computer systems are here. Now let us try a demo and see how this works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. We'll search for a game with the keyword candy and we'll download it and test playing it. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here and like this video by giving it a thumbs up so you can see my other videos. Thank you for watching.